Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about probe temperature for Pitco Part B6700604-CL. Probe temperature for Pitco Part B6700604-CL is a temperature probe designed to be used with Pitco fryers. It is a replacement part for the original probe that comes with the fryer. The probe measures the temperature of the oil in the fryer and sends a signal to the fryer's control board. The control board then adjusts the heat output of the fryer accordingly. This ensures that the oil temperature remains consistent and that food is cooked evenly and safely. The probe is made from stainless steel and has a temperature range of 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius to 20. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part does not fix any symptoms. It is a temperature probe for a Pitco fryer. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the fryer. 2. Remove the old probe from the fryer by unscrewing it from the control box. 3. Insert the new probe into the control box and tighten it securely with a wrench. 4. Connect the wires to the terminals on the back of the control box, making sure that they are connected correctly according to your model's wiring diagram. 5. Turn on the power to the fryer and test that it is working properly by setting a temperature and checking that it is reached correctly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.